We are all aware that the main character of your story needs to have a character arc. But what about the minor characters? Do they count? And is there such a thing as too many character arcs? Hi, my name is Vivian and welcome. So character arcs are essential to provide in depth in our stories. So it makes sense as authors that we would want our minor characters to add more depth to the story as well, because their stories matter too. What is a minor character? These are the other characters in the story. They are not as important as the major characters, but they still play a large part in the story. Their actions help drive the story forward. They may impact the decisions that the protagonist or antagonist makes, either helping or interfering with the conflict. Should minor characters have a full-on arc? Giving full-on arcs to your minor characters will be a lot. Your brain will liquidate because it's a lot of work. It will be a lot for you, the writer, to keep up with, and it will also be a lot for your readers to keep track as they're reading your story. There will just be a lot of confusion. I recommend K.M. Weiland's book, Creating Character Arcs. She goes into more details about creating character arcs, and also she talks about minor characters as well. It's really nice to know that as you're writing your story, you don't have to create a full-on arc for your minor characters. What kind of arcs do minor characters have, if any? All the major characters have full arcs, but when it comes to minor characters, they require minor arcs. The minor arcs consist of your characters having the basics, their individual goals, what obstacles, trials and tribulations that they face, what conflicts they deal with internally and externally, and which one of those conflicts gets resolved in the end. With a minor arc, these elements don't need to be fleshed out extensively, but make sure each part of the arc is persistent with the overall plot. And at the end, make sure everything ties up nicely. And remember, no minor arc can overshadow the protagonist's main character arc. Emphasize your minor character's approach to the theme. Character arcs relates to the theme of the story. In K.M. Weiland's book, Creating Character Arcs, she gives an example of using the theme respect. The protagonist's journey is going to teach him that true respect is earned by what a person does. With this theme, the author can explore an aspect of respect. So the author can use that to create the character's arc based on a specific part of the theme. For example, the theme is respect, right? The protagonist can be exploring respect in a relationship. Your minor characters can also be dealing with their own issues with respect. This allows your characters to approach the theme from different angles, giving you different kinds of materials to play with when exploring the theme. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I also have some free resources that you can download below. Go ahead and watch the next video here. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!